Good day, subscribers. It's me, the finance guy. Today we're going to be talking what makes a good stock pick, how do you pick a stock, what kind of mindset do you go into when it comes to picking a stock, and I also wanted to talk to you guys about, if this is your first time visiting my channel, feel free to subscribe down below and hit the bell because I make videos all the time.
Do I have to though?
No, but does a little extra information hurt ya? Probably not. With that being said, let's jump into it today and what my mindset goes behind when it comes to picking a stock. First, we must think about what kind of market we're in. Are we in a bull market? Are we in a bear market? How's the economy? Is the economy good? If the economy is good, chances are everything is going up. It's quite expensive. And the best time to buy, and I'll tell you right now, is to buy when things are bad, during a recession, during a decline, during a depression. And usually, when the market is fearful, is the best time to buy. So right now, everything seems pretty good. We have a lot of good things going on in the market, but there is some trade news that's causing a little bit of an uproar. We have the trade war that could potentially going on with Donald Trump. So that's kind of why the market is running a little bit funny right now. And because we've been on the up and up for such a long time. It doesn't mean that now's not a bad time to invest. It means now we have to be extra careful when it comes to investing. Personally, I'm a different kind of investor. There's many different kinds of investors out there. I like to invest into dividends. I like to invest into growth companies. So I'm a little bit of everything. And when it comes to picking out stocks or looking at things that I'm really interested in, I must think about all the possibilities that are available to us. Right now, personally, I believe in investing in things when they're cheap. Unfortunately, for the US economy right now, everything in the stock market is rather expensive. In fact, it's one of the highest moments in history. So, with that being said, you must be very careful when it comes to investing. Now, you can be very risky. You can follow all the trends in which everything that seems to be going up, and you may profit from it. You might have incredible returns. However, if the market goes into a decline, you could also see incredible losses. That is why I have decided to pick companies that might be struggling during this economy and could do well during an economy that isn't as strong. First, let's go to Finvizcom and let's go under maps. As you can see, this is the S&P 500 and you can see all the companies and how they're performing during the day, during the week, or during the year. Right now I'm on the year, and as you can see, there's some companies that are doing really well this year. Like Google's almost up over 20%, Facebook 31, Microsoft 42, JP Morgan 21, Bank of America 26, Berkshire 12, Apple up even higher, Amazon over 71%, and there's many different companies out there that are doing quite well and will continue to probably do really well in the future. However, just because a company is doing well doesn't mean that the stock is priced at a correct value. It might be overpriced because everyone really likes the stock. But things like AT&T is down 16.85%, and I'm more interested in buying into stocks that have weakness than buying into stocks that are doing incredibly well. It doesn't mean that I wouldn't like to own shares of Amazon one day. I just think that it's priced really high at 250 times what its earnings is. And potentially, I would like to pick up Amazon somewhere around the 30 to 50 PE ratio, but I may never get to do that. So that's just how investing works. And there's lots of different sectors out there, and this is a really good way for you to look into different sectors that are doing well and how to invest into some things that show weakness. As you can see, cigarettes are really down, and that could be a really good thing to buy in the future because it could make a recovery. However, it might not, and there might be some moral issues in regarding to picking up stocks during those times. And then I go through the map and see what things are really happening in these companies, what things are forcing them to lose money every single year, and what causes these companies to go down in value during a time of an economic bull run. Will the companies continue to go up, or will they continue to go down? And this is something you must think about when it comes to doing any kind of investing. What kind of things could recover if you decide to purchase them at cheaper valuations? That is how I like to invest, and there's many different strategies out there. Some people might think about buying Facebook, and if the bull market continues, it could continue to increase in value to up over 60% this year. So there's many different kinds of ways to think about investing. It's just, this is my way and how I look at it when it comes to investing. I rather purchase things that are much cheaper than things that are very expensive. This is just one of the ways that I like to invest, and I wanted to cover that in a video today, and I will show you future videos on steps that I take to get ahead financially and invest the way that I do. with that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the bell, because I make videos all the time, and I'm going to do a follow-up video on the next step when it comes to investing, I think on Tuesday, on what I like to do after this point. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Cute little penguin doing lots of things. Watch him fly from here to there, flapping his little wings. See you guys next time.